Unreposting on TikTok helps to remove content you no longer wish to promote or feature on your profile. I am Max. Let's get started. First, launch the TikTok app on your mobile. It doesn't matter whether it is Android or iPhone. Now, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. See the Repost tab to find all reposted videos. Tap on a video to unrepost it from your profile or ID. You can see your reposted label on the video screen. Tap on the share icon and see the remove repost option. That's it. Now the label you requested will be removed easily. Repeat the same steps. Scroll to see more reposted videos and unrepost quickly and easily. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Comment for more help.